Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you again with Bu Endah. Today we will continue our materials. The previous one we discuss about objective, benefits, and also limitation on our research methodology or research proposal. And today we continue with what is research method. Actually, this is the part of research methodology. Research methodology is like we tell all about our research, but for research methods, it's only a part of research methodology that said about the step by step what we will conduct on our research. Okay, the definition of research methods is all of techniques, procedures which is used to conduct the research. So all technique, all procedure which is used to conduct our research, right? So because this is all of technique or procedure, so we must make it our research method to be in detail. So we can communicate our research method must be clear, must be detailed, and spell out. So we must have the mindset that not only we that understand about our research, but also other people who read our writing is will be understand what is the step by step of our research will be conducted. And for our expertise in engineering or maybe software engineering, it will be try stronger if we deliver our research method by the research flowchart, diagram, or feature. So for Endah suggest to you, if you deliver your research method on research proposal or publication article, please you can include the research flowchart or diagram or feature, and we can tell the detail of our research using the this flowchart, this feature. It will be make it the research method clear, detail, and spell out, right? So in our research method, we can classify on three groups point that we must have on our research. This is related to data collection. This is how we can collect the data. Actually, if Bu Endah give you an example, if we are to develop a system or software, so what is the method that we can use on our research? Okay, you can set my research will be conducted by the research and development method. We can conduct the research on using waterfall method, prototyping prototyping method, or etc. So if you tell about the software development, maybe you can adopt the step by step from software engineering. But if you have the what is you have the research is not developing software, you can make it what is you can adapt how step by step, but it's not using that. Please keep in detail. And the second classification that we must have on our research methods is how to make the what is our data can be interpreted. It means we need a statistical technique. So if we have the raw data, we can make it analyzed by the statistical technique. Okay, after we develop the system, the software, the application, we must have to make feasibility testing or usability testing. All right, you have the raw data. What happened with the raw data? We must make it have the meaning. So we must using statistical technique how to make it the raw data be that could be conclude. Okay. After that, we also have the method to use evaluate the accuracy or maybe or validity, reliability of the that could be of the system, and also the what is the questionnaire of the data, the questionnaire instrument. So we must make it valid and reliable. So on for second and third part of research method, we using it, we generally taken it on analysis for analysis research. So if we want to interpret the raw data, we need number 2 and number 3 to make it the good conclusion for our research, right? And how to collect the data? Actually, for us, for developing something, we also to collect the data forward for a requirement analysis. You can conduct it with the observation. It's like you are gathering to know about the business process on the real world. It's like a observation, and also interview for the customer. That could be the personal. Also, you can interview by the telephone, email, or video call or something. So it we need to interview. For us, for software engineer, software developer, is like to interview the customer, right? And also we can conduct by the questionnaire or schedule activity. Actually, schedule activity is if we want to this or if we design our research by the rigid time. Okay, I want to know the behavior of the intervention the children with the game, like that. So we must have the rigid schedule. Okay, this is today is intervention, the next week is for the to know about the impact of the game, like that. So it will be the schedule activity, right? And what is that we must highlight to the research method is we must choose one research method, not all, but choose one. But what is our consideration? But we must consideration to our ability, to our finance, to our time, to our level accuracy that we desire. So please, for the this research method, we must pay attention to the ability and also experience the researchers. All right, Brenda will be give you an example. That's for the how to what is how to uh, writing the research method. Right. Okay. Here, uh, Brenda will be give you an example. This is sorry. Yes. Right. Actually, this example is for research the research proposal. Actually, this is Bu Endah research proposal. This is about the gamification for the learning media, especially for anak berkebutuhan khusus, or maybe we can tell is like retardation mental for the children. Okay, this is the research method because this is for the proposal research. So we must detail what is the tools that we we will use to our research, and also the detail of the tools like this. We can set as that this is the tools. This is also, and detail the step by step, because Bu Enda gave the what is the research proposal for multi years. So Bu Enda make detail step by step on the every year. So this is the first year. What is this is I will conduct by the SDLC, especially waterfall modified. Yes, and I said this is how to detail on there. And what Boyda said, we must strengthen this research method with the flowchart diagram feature. It's like this, how to step by step. Oh, maybe the reader will be know, oh, it's this research will be conduct in multi years. They have 3 years, and the first years they will conduct this, second years and third years is like this. This is the second years, third years, because we have this is the detail of flowchart how that I will conduct in first years. And after that I will detail with another if we need to tell step by step what we must do on our research, like that. And also how to analyze the data. If I have using, because this is I using rating scale, protest, pretest and post test, and I using also this is the statistic. I using because this is non-parametric statistic. I using comparable testing, compare testing with the method of Kruskal-Wallis, and this using for the pretest and post test, like that. And another example for you is about how to write research method on our publication article. You have see on this paper. This is like because the this article or this journal said not using research method but using purpose modeling. It's the same, purpose modeling. So I using a art technology for Android, and I will develop this with waterfall model, and this is step by step, and we can tell step by step in detail. So the feature, this feature will be guide us how to tell to the reader uh, how to take this research. Like this is analysis. Okay, the step for analysis, I using functional requirement and also non-functional requirement. Next step is for designing. Okay, designing is I will conduct by the UML. So the step is I conduct use case, diagram activity, and also storyboarding. Okay, after that the step for waterfall is coding, testing, and also maintenance. Right, that is what is the difference of research method on the research proposal and publication article. Because on publication as article is very rigid, the pages of the article have the limitation very short, so make it detail but make it in short for publication article. Indeed, in research proposal we also have limitation, but it's more what is more pages that you can give the compare with the research publication. Okay, so this is the example of research proposal, and hopefully you can understand it, and you can continue your research proposal or publication article with the step of research method. You can write from now. Thank you.